Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a complete guide on how to prevent everyone from mentioning you in TikTok. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over who can tag and mention you in TikTok content. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 stacked lines.
Neutralizes yellow
Tap on
and
those
smoke
lines
stains
to
on
access
teeth.
the TikTok menu.
Trust me,
Step 4.
I use it regularly,
From the
and now my
menu,
teeth
select
are as white
Settings
as
and
porcelain.
Privacy.
It's
Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Interactions category and tap on Mentions and Tags. Step 7. You'll see Mentions as an option. Tap on it. Step 8. Finally, select No One. By following these simple steps, you can prevent everyone from mentioning you in TikTok videos. This feature gives you complete control over the tags and mentions in your TikTok content, allowing you to maintain your privacy and manage your online presence. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more personalized TikTok experience with complete control over mentions.